What's up, everyone? Welcome to today's vlog. We got our boy Louie over here. We're going to his... I gotta make sure I'm facing the camera when I talk so you can hear me. Come on, pup. Come on. We're going to his favorite dog park and we're gonna run around with him. And it should be a good time. So, enjoy. What are you doing, Mr. Pup? We gotta make sure we're crossing. I actually don't know where this place is, but according to my mom, he does. So I'm just kind of letting him lead me. So it should be a good time. I've actually been there before. I think we have to make a left over here. Let's see what he does. So here's his dog park. You excited, Louie? 35 degrees. 35 degrees outside. I think that's an East Coast thing to always talk about the weather. I've heard in the West Coast they don't really talk about the weather too much because it's always sunny out. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, he is ready to go. Ready to go. You ready to go? You ready? Or we're gonna try to chase him. Go! 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 I don't think that worked. Oh man, that's not working. Get him, Lou. Get him. This fell off him. Come here. Go. Get him. Go. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. I don't know if this is gonna work. Get him, Louie, get him! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh my god, that thing's shaking like crazy. Shaking like crazy. Get him. Our leash is somewhere over there. We gotta make sure that we don't lose it, but should be fine. All right, let's see how that footage comes out. It looked like it was bouncing all over the place like crazy, but I'm sure it should be interesting. You let me know how it looks. What happened to his left paw? Hey, you okay? Louie, you okay? You're on the hunt? You smell something? You smell something? All right, he's done running. I think we're gonna go ahead and leave. You ready to go? Come on, let's go. All right, say goodbye to the dog park, Louie. Oh, one more thing. All right, Louie, this time we're gonna try to catch you. You good? Come on. Come on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Go, go. What happened? You don't want to run? You know? What happened? You don't want to run? You don't want to run? Oh well, he doesn't want to run. All right, he doesn't want to run. I guess he ran around enough at the dog park. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.